many teams are formed, scientific investigation, we were able to map down all the culprits and they are in our custody and we are working. So we were able to nab all the culprits who did it, and it was a thorough scientific investigation with digital mapping done, a blind case being worked out within 2 years.
We rounded up these persons and brought them to the police station where they have been arrested in this crime.
Remand भी.
They have been taken for remand and they are yet to come.
गोंय सुरक्षीत आसपा जाय इतले म्हणजे बिंदास कोणी कोणाक उखलून वता वो इट्स अनबिलिवेबल. गोंयांत पळय चल्ला इट्स बिकमींग अनबिलिवेबल. हें कितें आनी कितें म्हाका तरी दिसता आमी गोंयांत आमी खंय तरी आनी खंय आसा. त्या जाग्याचेर तुका उखलून भायले व्हरपा जाता आनी तुका जाय तें कोण मागीर आनी तरी बरें तें रिपोर्ट जालें म्हणून.
A shocking incident of gang rape has come into light, and in this connection, Fatorda police has registered FIR and has also arrested 5 accused for allegedly raping a mentally unsound girl. According to Fatorda police, this victim girl is mentally unsound, and when she was sitting at Margaon bus stand, accused number 1 Adil first befriended with the victim girl and took her to Vasco bus stand by a bus from Margaon bus stand. From Vasco bus stand, Adil took that victim girl on a scooter at Davolim Junction, and there another 4 accused joined him in a Baleno car. From there, all these 5 accused took the victim girl to a flat at Kansalim in the car, and there only they gang raped the victim girl. Fatorda police has arrested all these 5 accused. Some seizure of vehicles have also been made, and further investigation is going on in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.